Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into an interesting and often discussed topic. Are women more likely to have an emotional attachment after sex compared to men? And mind you, this topic is not an excuse for insensitive and bad behavior. We're just talking about science. This is a question that brings a lot of anecdotal evidence and personal experience. But is there any science behind it? Let's find out. The key player in this discussion is a powerful hormone called oxytocin. You must have heard it referred to as the love hormone or the cuddle hormone or the mother and baby bonding hormone. And believe me, it's for a good reason. Oxytocin plays a very important role in social bonding, trust, and attachment. That's the way God made it. Now, this hormone is released during several forms of physical intimacy, that is foreplay, touching, and during and after sexual activity. And this hormone is also released during breastfeeding, during skin to skin contact after you give birth, to create that mother and baby bond between you and your baby, that unbreakable bond. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Oxytocin is released in both sexes. Men and women release oxytocin during foreplay or during or after sexual intercourse. It starts flowing during foreplay, peaks during sexual intimacy, and continues to be present afterward. I need us to understand that this release is part of our body's response to promote bonding and connection after sexual intimacy. Now, now, ladies, this is where it gets dicey. I hate to say this, but some research have shown that women respond to this hormone, oxytocin, the love hormone, differently from men. Research suggests that women's brains might be more sensitive to this hormone as opposed to men, or that the way it reacts with other hormones like estrogen in the woman's body and the woman's brain may lead to more pronounced feeling of attachment. But this isn't to say that men don't feel anything or no. Far from it, the bonding experience is very real for men as well. But the intensity and nature of the postcoital feeling and attachment may be different between sexes. This heightened sensitivity in women is sometimes linked to evolutionary factors, particularly around pair bonding for raising offspring. The more oxytocin is released and the more your brain is responsive to it, the stronger the potential for forming a deep and long-lasting bond. So ladies, it's a good thing. Understanding the biological differences and tendencies is in no way an excuse for anybody to be dismissive of another person's emotions. Things like past experiences, relationship status, personality play a huge role. Yes, biology creates a framework, but human experience is far more complex. And open and honest communication has always and will always be the cornerstone to any sexual relationship. Discuss expectations, discuss boundaries before and after sexual intimacy. No one should ever feel used or dismissed because of biological and cultural norms. Men will be men, men are more likely to be promiscuous. Rubbish. Empathy, kindness, and clear communication would always be more important than any hormonal oxytocin and scientific explanation. That being said, while the science of oxytocin offers some scientific explanation why women may tend to get or feel attached after intimacy, let us also remember to also prioritize treating each other with respect and integrity, being honest with one another. So ladies, what are your thoughts? Men too, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you next time. Bye.